So it's morning and I'm taking my braids out. Kind of miss wearing my hair out, so we're gonna do something different. What do y'all think about this look? I would wear this. I'm just gonna shampoo using the Soultanicals Curly Do Earthy Poo. I'm just gonna use this as a leave-in. Just gonna leave it in my hair. I don't want to leave too much in it because I want the curls to bounce. So I hate roller set my hair. This is why I don't do it. It's taking me like forever. It's been like almost 2 hours. Okay, so when rolling my hair, I am gonna spray it down with some water, make it wet, soaking wet. I'm gonna wet my hair as much as possible, and I'm gonna add some vegan hair mousse by Soultanicals, and I'm going to rub that in, and then I'm gonna add some setting lotion. I mixed 2 ounces of setting lotion with 1 cup of water. I'm gonna be using some large green perm rods with some paper ends. I'm gonna wrap the paper ends on the roller first, and then roll my hair around the roller. And here I'm just rolling it upward, and then I'm just gonna snap the roller, voila. I use about 30 rollers to set my hair. I did let my hair dry under the hair dryer, but it got so late, I was so tired, I didn't feel like taking it down. So I'm taking it down now. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna come out frizzy, so I'm guessing this is gonna be the frizzy rollout set. I actually like it so far, guys. I do. It's frizzy, but I'm liking it to roll. They're bouncy curls. Using a bit of oil on my hands, I'm going to start separating my curls. I'm not going to use a whole bunch here, just going to spray enough to coat my hands. And then this is just going to help give my curls a little bit more sheen, more moisture, things of that nature. And then I'm going to use a comb that's made to get rid of parts. I believe it's by Conair. Last step, I'm going to be using Curls' Blueberry Bliss Control Paste to gel down my edges. I like it. I mean, it's a frizzy roller set. I think it's pretty cool. Yep, there's a tutorial. Haven't roller set my hair in a long time, and I probably won't do this shit again in a long time. I'm pretty content and happy with the results, but I feel like I'll forever be perfecting that bouncy, non-frizzy roller set. Like, that is the goal. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next video.